Okay, hi guys. So this is Vibe Test AI. So what we are trying to do is like remember when you are vibe coding a new feature and somehow they broke all your existing features and then you have to manually test each flow and then ask cursor to please fix this and please fix this. I was completely fed up of that, and that is why I've new created this new tool, Vibe Test AI. So what this basically does is you can make your that test cases of features that you want to make sure that are always working, and um, and then just run this again and again so that you know that all your existing features are up to date. So yeah, so let's get started on how we can do this. So you can add a new test by simply prompting. This will run a browser agent in the background and make a new test for you, including with the steps and also what are the requirements that you need to be fixed, like what are the expectations of the test to work correctly. So once you do that, you will get a new test, something like this. So here you can see this is a test on perplexity that navigates to a new page and does all of this. So we'll see how this works. So it needs to navigate to perplexity. Yeah, it is already on perplexity, so that is done. Now it is going to execute the next step, that is enter a search query. So this is it doing it, and yeah, it's working. So this is also done. Then it is opening a new, then it is going to verify that whether the search results were loaded in 3 seconds. So yes, it was. And okay, so check results and formatting and citations. So it was, it is going to check whether the citations are correctly placed as it is expected. And yeah, that is it. So each time, so the way I'm trying to build this is each time you are vibe coding a new feature, you I'll try and connect it with cursor as well, so that each time a feature is made, you can run this. The cursor will run this for you, and it will get to know if an existing feature is working or not. So you can see the verification criteria here on what all it checked. It checked whether the input field is visible and the search results loaded within 3 seconds, and also it checked whether the citations were correctly there or not. So basically, whether the search flow of perplexity, the main flow, was there or not, whether you added a new feature or not, this will always be working, and that is what we want. So please sign up. We are in beta and are expecting some beta users to come and use this, and then we can take it from there. So we are also adding this to MCP server for this, so that you can use it with Claude Code and Cursor, so that for each new feature, Cursor can automatically test this for you. And yeah, that is it. Thank you.